Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Twyla P, and today I'm going to be showing you guys these brushes I ordered off Amazon for only $7.99. Yes, $7.99 is all I paid for these brushes. Came to me in this little package. Inside, the company is called BS Mall, and it comes with 13 brushes for only $7.99. These are the brushes, look like this. It also comes with this little carrying case to put the brushes inside of. I probably won't be using it just because it's a little small for me, but I'll find some other use for this case. Comes with 13 brushes. I'm gonna sit here and just tell you guys all about the brushes. It comes with comes with 7 eye brushes. One of them is a spoolie, pretty nice looking spoolie. We got some blending brushes. And as I went through these already, I really particularly can't wait to use this angle brush. See, it's pretty nice and tapered, good for blending in the crease area. A little flat brush, a new angle brush, another blending brush. This one a little more fluffy, a little more fan-like. You could probably use this for highlight. It also comes with 2 face brushes. This one is a nice flat brush for foundation, blending in foundation. It has this nice little BS Mall logo on it, a little silver handle. They look pretty expensive to me. I'm also particularly excited about this angle brush for highlighting. I can't wait to use this one. It also comes with, this is probably, a blush brush. Just a regular, your standard blush brush. And a nice powder brush for packing on extra powder in different areas of the face. I'm really excited to be using these. I only paid $7.99 on Amazon. It was supposed to come Wednesday, and I ordered it on a Thursday, but it actually came Sunday, so that was yesterday. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna be filming a tutorial using these brushes up next. So be checking that out. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys